Welcome. In this video, we'll review how to register for an Amazon Ads account and how to navigate the available features in the advertising console. To get started, visit ads.amazon.com and click Register. Choose the country where you'd like to advertise, then pick the option that applies to you. Once you've registered, you'll create and manage your sponsored ads campaigns in the Campaign Manager. This page shows a single view of your ad campaigns so you can easily create new campaigns, as well as track your total spend, total sales, and more. Click Create Campaign to get started. Choose from sponsored products, sponsored brands, or sponsored display. Launch your first campaign in a matter of minutes. Once you've created a few campaigns, you can use portfolios to simplify your day-to-day campaign management in multiple ways. Organize your campaigns by brand, category, product, or season, whatever makes the most sense for you and your business. You can track portfolio performance and create reports for campaigns by portfolio. Portfolios also include automatic budget capping and simple invoicing. From the advertising console, you can also use Amazon's self-service store builder, located in the Stores tab, to create and edit your store. It's easy to create a multi-page experience, and there's no design expertise necessary. Amazon stores allow you to showcase your brand and products in a multi-page, immersive shopping experience. In the Measurement and Reporting tab, you'll find sponsored ads reports that show account-level data for all your campaigns. You can use this data to understand how your campaigns are performing and optimize current and future campaigns. You can also access Amazon Attribution for your non-Amazon campaigns across channels like email, social media, and more. Once you've registered for an Amazon Ads account, choose a targeting strategy for your campaign to help reach relevant customers at the right time. Targeting is how you define the audiences that you want to reach and engage when you're publishing an ad. The two most common ways to define an audience when you're using sponsored ads are keyword and product targeting. Keyword targeting matches your ad with the shopping queries that customers use when they are looking for something online. And product targeting matches your advertised products or brand with similar or complementary products in the Amazon store. Depending on the ad solution you're using, you'll have two options for how to set up your keyword or product targeting: automatic and manual. With automatic targeting, Amazon will use our unique insights to match your ads to related shopping queries and products, saving you time in campaign setup. Amazon will also provide you with recommended bid suggestions to help you bid more effectively and meet your campaign goals. We calculate the suggested bid based on bids for ads similar to yours that won impressions over the past 7 days. This can help speed up your campaign setup process and ensure you are bidding competitively for placements. You can choose to set one default bid for your entire campaign or choose different bids for targeting groups. These are groups of search terms and products matched with the product in your ad. There are 4 targeting groups you can define bids for in automatic campaigns: close match and loose match for keywords, and substitutes and complements for products. After your automatic campaign has been running for at least 2 weeks, review which keywords or products worked best for you, such as the ones with a high click-through rate or a return on ad spend that aligns with your goals. You can use these high-performing keywords in your manual campaigns. Manual targeting helps you to target specific keywords and products. In your manual keyword targeting campaign, you can choose different match types for keywords: broad match, phrase match, and exact match. These match types determine how closely the keywords you bid on match the shopping queries customers are using, giving you increased control over spend. In your manual product targeting campaign, you can choose different categories or individual products, giving you greater control over when and where your ads appear. For manual campaigns, you can set a different bid for each keyword, product, and category, letting you bid more competitively on keywords that perform well for you. Again, Amazon will give you a suggested bid, but you set the maximum bid you're willing to pay. Within both your automatic and manual campaigns, you'll see the complementary option to include negative targeting. With negative targeting, you can select keywords and products to prevent your ads from displaying when shopping queries match them, helping to exclude irrelevant searches and lower your advertising cost. For example, let's say you're selling high-end watches. You know that shoppers who are searching for products like yours are not budget conscious. So you may decide to select negative keywords like cheap or inexpensive. This will prevent your watch ads from showing up in specific shopping results and detail pages where they may be less likely to lead to a click or a sale. To help select these negative products and keywords, review your search term report to look for these low performers, such as keywords or products that have generated impressions but no sales. Again, you'll have match type options for negative keyword targeting, which are negative exact and negative phrase, and for negative product targeting, you'll have the choice to exclude by an entire brand or by product. Remember, to get started with campaign targeting, we recommend that you run an automatic campaign for at least 2 weeks to see what keywords and products perform best for you. Then take those high-performing keywords and products and use them in your manual campaigns. Keep your automatic campaign running to stay on top of shopping trends, and use your manual campaign to bid more competitively and confidently on keywords and products that are meeting your goals. Both your automatic and manual campaigns can be updated and optimized at any time. Ready to set up targeting on a sponsored ads campaign? Visit ads.amazon.com. Let's review what Amazon bidding is, how you can set up your bids, and available bidding strategies to reach relevant customers at the right time. Amazon uses an auction-based cost-per-click inventory buying model that allows advertisers to place bids for their ads to display to shoppers. Ads that compete in the auction are ranked and displayed to shoppers based on a combination of the advertiser's bid and the ad's relevance to shoppers' queries. When you set a bid, you're choosing the maximum amount you are willing to pay for a click. Understanding bid features and available options will help you develop a bid strategy that aligns with your campaign and business goals. When setting bids for product targeting, we recommend following the suggested bid amount provided in the campaign builder. After campaigns have run for 2 weeks or more, review performance and adjust your bids and budget. For sponsored products, you can choose from 3 bidding strategies. These options can be found under Campaign Settings within your campaign under Campaign Bidding Strategy. Choose the strategy that works best for your campaign's objective. This setting applies to all bids within your campaign. Let's review the 3 bidding strategy options and best practices for optimization. The first is Dynamic Bids Down Only. Using this strategy, Amazon adjusts your bid in real time when your ad may be less likely to convert to a sale. With this selection, Amazon may decrease bids by up to 100%. This bidding strategy is best used for new campaigns and when you want to control spending on underperforming campaigns. The next option is Dynamic Bids Up and Down. With this strategy, Amazon adjusts your bid in real time, raising it when your ad may be more likely to convert to a sale and lowering it when less likely to convert. Amazon won't increase your bids by more than 100% for placements at the top of search results and won't increase by more than 50% for all other placements. This strategy is best used with campaigns that feature ASINs running deals, ASINs with excess inventory, or high-performing campaigns to help maximize results. The last option is Fixed Bids. With this strategy, Amazon uses your exact bid for all opportunities and won't adjust your bids based on the likelihood of a conversion. Compared to dynamic bidding strategies, fixed bids can offer more impressions but tend to generate fewer conversions for your ad spend. A fixed bid is the default bidding option for sponsored brands campaigns. In addition to selecting a bidding strategy like dynamic or fixed bids, you can also set different bids by placement. You can enter a percent increase up to 900% to your base bid for 2 placements, top of search first page and product pages. When you do this, your bids will be increased by the specified amounts when your ads compete for opportunities on those placements. your base bid will apply to rest of search placements. Placements are where your ads may appear. Currently, you can adjust your bids across 3 placement groups: top of search, rest of search, and product pages. The top of search refers to the sponsored products at the top row on the first page of search results. Rest of search refers to the sponsored products shown in the middle or at the bottom of search results, and all sponsored products in the second page of search results and beyond. Product pages refer to sponsored products placements on product detail pages. When setting a bid, it's important to choose a campaign strategy and placement that works toward your business goals. Understanding how bids and budget impact your sponsored ad campaigns and the options you have for optimization is key to helping you reach relevant shoppers where it matters most. In this video, we'll help you choose the best budgeting strategy for your Amazon Ads campaigns and show you how to set up your budgets in the advertising console. Before we dive in, remember that Amazon Ads can work with any budget. Your campaign budget determines how much you will spend on sponsored ads. Setting a sufficient budget based on your objectives will help you get the most out of your campaign over a set period of time. There are 2 types of budgets: daily budget and lifetime budget. Sponsored products and sponsored display campaigns operate on a daily budget. Sponsored brands campaigns can operate on a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Let's learn first what a daily budget is and how it works. Your daily budget is the maximum amount you are willing to spend on average each day over a calendar month. For example, if you set your daily budget to $100, you may spend up to $3,100 in a 31-day calendar month for all of the clicks your ads generated. Setting a daily budget doesn't mean you will spend all of it each day. The daily budget gives you flexibility to spend less on days that are low traffic and up to 10% more to take advantage of high traffic days. How does a daily budget work? Let's review the details. Daily budgets are not rationed throughout the day, so your budget will be spent as quickly as your ad receives clicks. When your daily budget has been spent, your ad will stop serving until the next day. This means that smaller budgets could be spent in a matter of hours or minutes during high traffic periods. Keep in mind that customers shop at different times, so it's important to set a daily budget that is high enough to last throughout the day. If you're not sure how much budget will keep your ad serving, test what's right for your business. You can increase or decrease your daily budget at any time, even when your campaign is running. Now, let's learn what a lifetime budget is and how it works. Your lifetime budget is the maximum amount that you are willing to spend on a campaign. How does a lifetime budget work? Unlike daily budgets, lifetime budgets take a step back and look at the maximum investment you'd like to make during the lifetime of your campaign. If you set an end date for your campaign, then your lifetime budget will be divided by the number of days in your campaign. You may spend more or less than this in a given day, but the total spend over the course of the campaign will never exceed the lifetime budget. If you do not set an end date, the campaign will run until the lifetime budget is reached. It's important to remember that lifetime budgets cannot be decreased once your campaign starts. Be sure to set the correct lifetime budget before you kick off your campaign to ensure you're making the right investment. Also note that you won't be able to switch between a daily budget and a lifetime budget after you've selected one. To change your budget for an active campaign, copy your campaign and create a new campaign with the revised budget. Now that you know the available budget types, let's walk through how to set them up. To set up your new campaign budget, go to Campaign Manager and select your campaign type. If you're setting up a budget for a sponsored brands campaign, you'll need to first select daily or lifetime budget and then enter the budget amount before selecting Submit for Review. For sponsored products or sponsored display campaigns, just enter the daily budget amount in the Settings section before clicking Launch Campaign. To change an existing campaign's budget, go to Settings and make changes such as changing the budget cap for all sponsored products campaigns, or increasing the average daily budget for any unspent budget. Alternatively, you can adjust individual campaign budgets directly within the Budgets tab in the Campaign Manager. Find the Budget column and increase or decrease the budget. Click Save to record your changes. Finally, remember that there is no universal formula for calculating a good ad budget. The best ad budget is one that fits your business's priorities and long-term goals.